It's time, it's finally time for the double Tiffany unboxing. Just look at these goodie bags. Ooh, Landmark. Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs. I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today. Today is the day we're going to get into these gorgeous Tiffany Blue, Tiffany Landmark, Tiffany goodie bags. I'm excited to share the goodies with you, and I'm more excited to start using them myself. If you didn't already know, the Lion and I have just got back from a trip to New York where we met up with the Handbag Tribe. We had many events that we did. We did a lot of sightseeing and stuff as well. I'll have the New York playlist linked down below in case you've missed out on any of them, but I will also have a specific video linked up here, down there, wherever it'll be linked, and that is the vlog of when we went to the plaza for afternoon tea, followed by a quick trip to Tiffany, the Landmark store on Fifth Avenue, which was rather fabulous, and where I picked up a couple of Tiffany goodies. So we're going to get into those in a minute. Woo! I nearly did an Amelia Rose dropping of the luxury there. That wouldn't be good, not after I tell her off about it all the time. I went to New York in 2006 and I picked up a couple of pieces from Tiffany back then that I'll share with you now. They're in these little pouches, the little Tiffany Blue pouches for travel and stuff like that. I really like these pouches. I like the way they're done because they've got the two separate sections in there, so if you've got earrings or something like that you want to carry, you can have one in each section and then they don't rub and scratch against each other. I kept the little Tiffany Blue boxes for these for several years, from 2006, and I think I probably binned them somewhere around... It doesn't matter when I binned them. The fact is I binned them because I just couldn't carry around, as I was moving from place to place, carry around just little blue boxes, packaging. Never thought I would get rid of these pieces anyway. I was completely in love with them, and here we are now. So the two pieces I've got that I bought in 2006 are classic pieces from Tiffany. This one is the classic open heart. I think this is in a size medium, and this is Elsa Peretti, and it's on a Tiffany silver chain. Now this chain is 16 inches, which is too short for me now, and if I can do the clasp with my ridiculous nails that I'm still not used to having. Ooh, this is going to be a very interesting video if I can't undo and do up jewellery clasps. This is not happening. People with nails, how do you cope with this? I've got it undone. Will I get it done up again? Who knows? No. I'm just going to hold it in place. So this is the chain, and this is why I don't wear it very much anymore. Well, there are two reasons. One reason is the chain is 16 inches and that is not long enough on my chunky neck, and also because the heart does have a habit of flipping over and not lying completely flat against me. So it's a really gorgeous piece. I keep umming and ahhing about whether to sell it or not. If you are new to my channel, then hiya, I'm Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. And if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, like this kind of stuff, then get down there, hit subscribe and ring my bell so you don't miss out on any of my luxury based shenanigans. Show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So I've been toying with the idea of selling it, but when we were in New York I thought, oh, do you know what, I'm going to go into Tiffany and I'll see if I can get a longer silver chain to wear with this. And when I went in there, I got completely sidetracked by many other pretty things, so I didn't actually do that. The other thing I bought in 2006 is in this pouch, and this is a ring. I believe this is also from the Elsa Peretti, and it's got this kind of wavy dip in it, and this still fits. It is quite a chunky ring. You can see the little wave in there. It's like a double loop. Now I quite like my big chunky jewellery, so I don't wear this one quite so often. That's because I normally wear a ring that the lion had made for me on this finger. So those are the two things I bought in 2006. Hadn't been back to Tiffany really since then. I'd bought something for my mum for her 50th birthday a while ago from the Tiffany in London. So while we were in New York, I thought I would revisit. And while we were there, the lovely client advisor who was helping Amelia Rose and Meredith with their purchases handed all of us one of these gorgeous little kind of tab thing. It says the Landmark on Fifth Avenue on the front there. Well, actually, I don't know which side is meant to be the front and which side is meant to be the back. And then there's an etching of the Landmark building on Fifth Avenue. As you would expect, you would only get these with making a purchase from the Landmark Fifth Avenue store. So it was very kind of him to give us each one, and not knowing that I would be wandering off and making a couple of purchases. Aha! So not only have I got that one that he kindly gave, but I got one on each of my purchases, and these will be going on the Christmas tree. What is in these bags? Let's get in and take a little look now, shall we? So it will do the big one first. And oh, look, lovely. There is something very special about this Tiffany Blue and the box with white ribbon and everything. I have not been in these since they came back to the hotel from the boutique with us. So I'm just hoping that the things we bought are in here. Da, 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 da. Let's get rid of that ribbon. There's the box. I'm going to open it over here because I don't know how this is. Oh, lovely. Okay, it's safe to share with you. So there is my little receipty thing, I think, or is this a care card? I think I got my receipts separately. I have my receipts emailed to me, a little care booklet, and it says Tiffany Leather and Materials, so that gives you an idea on what's in here. It's in a little dust bag, and what comes in little dust bags? Little bags and little SLGs. Now I know Tiffany is all about the silver, it's all about the jewellery and the fine jewellery, but this was so cute. It had to come home with me, and you know I am a massive card holder fan. So this is my new Tiffany Blue card holder with the Please Return to Tiffany Co heart locket, padlock locket on it, and your cards slip in here, which I thought was really fun and really interesting. And then same on the back, you've got 2 card slots there. So all of my card holders are top loaders. This is a side loader. So yeah, it smells good as well. It really does smell good. So there is the first thing that I bought at Tiffany. Very excited to finally get into this. A little bit sad to be leaving my Hermes Calvi Duo, but excited to get into this. Oh, and there is a little central one as well. It's just got a little bit of card in there to keep it open, I guess. Well, that is item number 1. And what could be in this little bag, this little Tiffany bag? Well, this is one that the lion bought for me because he's an absolute sweetheart. So again, we've got the Tiffany Blue box with the white ribbon. Oh, tantalizingly excited about this. And we have a different type of dust bag or pouch for this one. We have this little Tiffany Blue one and a little care card. Ooh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited for this. Oh, this has got a little divider in there as well. It doesn't need dividing because it's not earrings. I'm going to put this over here. And what the lion bought for me from the Tiffany Landmark, Fifth Avenue, New York on our holiday is this gorgeous little silver beaded bracelet with the Tiffany Blue enamel on the heart. And on the other side, and I don't know if the camera's going to pick this up too well, but we've got the Tiffany Please Return to Tiffany on the locket and we have a diamond in there as well. Now these bracelets come with a diamond or without a diamond, and the lion, given the choice of the two, the lion said he wanted to buy the one with the diamond for me because then he could say he'd bought me a diamond from Tiffany. I did try this on in yellow gold, but it was 5 times the price of the silver one, so that would require some saving up and another return trip to New York. I would like to buy my Tiffany pieces from New York because it's the flagship store and the whole experience, but also they come up a little bit cheaper than they do in the UK. So even with the addition of the sales tax, this piece was actually a little bit cheaper than it would have been had we bought it in the London Tiffany store. So one day I will have the yellow gold bracelet to go with my yellow gold stack, and I will wear this one with my white gold and my diamonds. I'm going to switch the camera off for a moment now as I try and attempt to put this on. Okay, we're on. And so sitting next to my tennis bracelet there, and doesn't it look gorgeous? I love this kind of little just beaded detail. And if I can get close enough, you might be able to see behind the balls. If you can see behind the balls, it is a chain link, a silver chain link behind there. So it's not on a bit of wire or a bit of string or some of that plasticky stuff that you get sometimes with this kind of beaded bracelet. It's on an actual silver chain, which is reassuring. So I've got it this way round. So if it's sitting on top of my hand, I can see the blue enamel, but then when it turns and is upside down and it's dangling, that's when you can see the silver side with the little diamond on there. I may try and do some B-roll for this as well. Gorgeous. And one day there may be a yellow gold sister for her. Now you know I'm more of a pink girl, but there is something a little irresistible about this Tiffany blue. Let's do it like that. There you go. That looks a bit better, doesn't it? Oh, how pretty. So those are my new Tiffany pieces from our trip to New York. Let me know in the comments section down below what you think of what we picked up. Personally, I'm absolutely delighted. So if you don't like them, then that's fine, because I absolutely love them. And I'm very happy to be able to start using them both. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please show it the thumbs up love. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section down below. The next video is going to be the double fashion file unboxing with a little bit extra thrown in for good measure. And until I see you for that video, until I see you, yes you, boop, it's weird being back in front of the camera after all of that vlogging. Until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye.